Once upon a time, in a cozy forest filled with tall trees and colorful flowers, there lived a little hedgehog named Hazel. Hazel loved nothing more than snuggling up in her leafy bed and taking long naps. While the other animals played in the sunshine, Hazel was often found yawning and curling up into a sleepy ball. One day, as Hazel was getting ready for yet another nap, her friend Buzzy the bee buzzed over excitedly. "Hazel, you're always sleeping. Don't you want to come explore the meadow with me? The flowers are blooming and the sun feels so nice." Hazel rubbed her sleepy eyes and stretched. "I don't know, Buzzy. I'm so cozy here." But Buzzy wasn't giving up. "Just for a little while. There's so much to see, and I think you'll love it." After thinking for a moment, Hazel decided to give it a try. "Okay, I'll come for a quick look, but then I'll come back for my nap," she said, still yawning. As they walked through the forest, Hazel's eyes started to widen. The meadow was full of life. Butterflies danced in the air, the flowers swayed gently in the breeze, and the birds sang cheerful songs. Hazel couldn't help but smile. "Wow, this is beautiful," Hazel said, feeling wide awake for the first time in days. Buzzy led Hazel to the biggest, brightest flower in the meadow. "See? I told you it was amazing," Buzzy buzzed happily. Hazel took a deep breath, enjoying the sweet scent of the flowers. She even joined in a game of hide and seek with the butterflies, giggling as she rolled through the soft grass. Time flew by, and before Hazel knew it, the sun was beginning to set. "I guess I don't need to nap all the time," Hazel said with a little laugh, feeling more refreshed than ever. As they made their way back home, Buzzy buzzed beside her. "See? A little adventure was just what you needed." Hazel smiled, knowing her nap could wait until tomorrow. "Thanks, Buzzy. I'm glad I came with you." From that day on, Hazel didn't spend all her time napping. She still loved her cozy bed, but she also enjoyed exploring the forest with her friends, knowing that every adventure was full of surprises. And of course, after a day of fun, she always had the sweetest dreams.